How to check other viewers on Facebook story? Watch the video till the end. So let's know if we can check other viewers on Facebook story or not. For that you have to hop into Facebook app and make sure to sign in on your Facebook account. Then if you have added any story on your story of Facebook, then tap on your story and check it. As you can see, there is one viewer at the bottom left corner, so tap on one viewer and here is others. How to check the other viewers on Facebook story? For that you need to simply get back from here and select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you have to scroll all the way down and select help and support and go to the help center. Once you reach on this Facebook Help Center, you have to select the search bar at the top and search for story viewers. Here are different options, so you need to select the option here. How can I tell who has seen my story on Facebook? Select it. Once you reach here, when you scroll down, you'll find the option of your list of story viewers. Simply select the arrow next to it, and on this drop down option here at the bottom you will be able to find out it is written here if your story privacy is set to public. You'll be able to see the numbers of followers who have viewed your story but not a specific follower's name. So unfortunately, Facebook does not allow us to check who the other viewers are on Facebook story. So simply, if you don't want the other viewers to view on the Facebook story, then you can simply change your Facebook story settings. For that, come back from the help center and on this menu box you need to select the gear icon at the top right corner. On the settings and privacy, you have to scroll down and under audience and visibility select stories. Now select story privacy and select to friends so that and select the save button so that your friends of Facebook will be only be able to see your story when you have added any stories on Facebook. So that's it guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates.